So you want to get monetized on YouTube? Well, you're gonna have to work for it. And when you finally get monetized, is it worth it? Let's talk about that. Getting monetized on YouTube. Man, I finally got monetized. It took me 10 months. Boom. And how many videos? Well, let's head into my YouTube channel and look at my YouTube analytics, and let's find out exactly how much work it took to actually get monetized, and let's find out what being monetized means. Alright, so this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I got a new banner and I have my popular uploads right here. Created playlists that I made: Sea of Thieves, Grand Theft Auto, It's a Puppy Life, Among Us. I react to some videos. So you get the point. I'm a multi-niche YouTuber. I got a lot of niches. I'm trying different things, and I'm not afraid to change. You cannot be afraid of change if you're trying to get monetized, or if you want to be successful on YouTube. You gotta follow the meta and don't be afraid to change what you're doing currently. All right, now let's go to the analytics, the exciting stuff. So monetization. If you're not monetized yet, you're gonna click on this, and then it's gonna say how many subscribers you need. You need 1,000 subscribers, and you're gonna need over 4,000 watch hours. Getting that 4,000 watch hours took me 10 months. Yeah, 10 months of uploading daily is a lot of work, but you gotta think long term. You gotta think, man, in 10 years, if I'm still a YouTuber, or in 3 or 4 years, if I'm still a YouTuber, is it worth it? Well, that's the question. If you look at all the YouTubers that really grind it out and stick it through, they're making around $10,000 to $60,000 to $100,000 a month on YouTube ads, on sponsorships, all kinds of stuff. There's just different ways to make money. And if you have a face channel like I do, basically anything behind me, I can advertise. I can try to get a drum company to put their drum set there. I can get guys that want to sell paintings, put them up there. Clothes, whatever I wear, I can contact Puma eventually and tell them, hey, you want me to keep wearing Puma? You know, send me some Puma stuff, or I'm gonna go see Nike and see if they want to promote Nike on my channel, you know? So if you're a face channel and you're using a webcam regularly, take that as an option to get a lot of sponsorships. I got my first sponsor, which I actually dumped yesterday. I dumped him because his website wasn't working too well, and for the amount of money I was getting per month, it really wasn't worth it for me. So anyways, let's get back into the analytics and let's talk about the money situation. I go to my analytics, you guys can see that my estimated revenue for the past 2 days is 58 cents. Yeah, 58 cents. Here's what's going on. I have over 2 million views total in my whole channel. Now, if we're counting YouTube shorts, the YouTube short videos, which are the ones that are popping off, I get around 1 million views every 28 days, but those aren't the videos that are going to make me money. The videos that make you money are your uploads that are at least 10 minutes long. But the uploads that are 10 minutes long have a lot of competition. YouTube is not going to recommend your content unless you're making good content, right? And you got to know what you're talking about. YouTube also wants to represent itself with its YouTubers. So I am now currently a YouTube affiliate. So what does that mean, being a YouTube affiliate? Basically, someone, when they saw that I reached 1,000 subscribers and I got 4,000 watch hours, there's an actual human being that works at YouTube that looked at my YouTube channel and said, okay, this guy can actually work for us. So they gave me my YouTube affiliate, and now if you click on my videos, there's ads before. So that means anybody that wants to put an ad in front of a YouTube channel goes through the YouTube AdSense and they pick their categories. So I'm a face channel, gaming channel, YouTuber channel, and cooking channel. They probably saw that too. So I have a lot of ads that can be posted in front of my videos, which is one of the reasons that I don't want to only go into Rocket League. I want to be a YouTuber that's like multi-niched. That makes sense. I'm only generating 58 cents a day, but that number can only grow. If I put out a YouTube video, I know I'm getting at least 100 views, no matter what it is. But if I put out a bad video, I know that that can hurt my next video. So every time you put out a video, remember that it's gonna affect your next video. So if you make a bad video and you think you're gonna redeem yourself with the next video, chances are no one's gonna watch your next video because the first video you made wasn't good. People that are subscribed to your channel are gonna think, okay, this guy made a bad video, but the next video is probably gonna be bad as well. Even if you put in like 10 hours of editing time and you really give it your all, yeah, doesn't mean you're gonna get views. But the people that do watch your good videos are gonna rewatch the next videos and the next videos, and you gotta keep your audience hooked. So getting monetized on YouTube basically means that you're uploading regularly, you got at least a small community following you, and you're getting regular views. Don't give up. I'm telling you, it sucks to upload and not get views. Do not pay to get views. If you got the money, I mean, go for it. Spend $500,000 on a video. I mean, YouTube already has its own system to recommend your videos. You don't have to pay. If you're promoting your video, make sure your video is promoting something. You're trying to sell headsets, right? Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna try to sell these Corsair headsets. Then maybe you can promote your video to sell the headsets. But don't pay to promote a video that doesn't sell anything. Don't pay for subscribers. Because in the long run, you're gonna hit a wall if you do that. You really gotta build a community by being yourself, be entertaining, be real, just don't be afraid to laugh at yourself if you suck at a game. So you don't have to be good at video games to be a YouTuber in the gaming niche. See what I'm saying? Oh, so I'm at 4,899 subscribers, almost at 4,900. Tomorrow, I will be at 5,000 subscribers, and I will probably do a stream. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, take the time to do that right now. I do regular streaming. I talk about what it's like to be a YouTuber, and I'm gonna start showing you the programs that I use and how to use them. Like for example, OBS Studio here is a program that I use regularly to record and to stream, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it in future videos. All right, so if we go back to the channel analytics and we head over to the revenue section, you can actually see what my CPM is. My CPM is actually pretty good. $3.39 is my CPM. That means that every time that I get 1,000 views, I'm generating $3.39. So a video that gets 1 million hits, you can do the math, but that's some good money. Right now, my videos aren't hitting 1 million views, but the view count is growing, which means the CPM can grow, and my estimated revenue can actually grow as well. So you're gonna start small, but don't worry, your channel is gonna grow. If you're already a pro gamer and you already have that big community following you, then your community is already big. You see a lot of YouTubers starting out and boom, 50,000 subs, 100,000 subscribers. That's because they already have that big community. But if you're a small YouTuber like myself and you don't have a community, I mean, when I started out on YouTube, all I had was my Facebook. I had 400 friends, 500 friends, and only like 50 of those people subscribed to my channel. So no one knew who I was. So I had to build my community. And now over 2 million people know who I am because they've seen my videos. First impressions are always super important. But don't worry about first impressions because YouTube's gonna take care of that for you. If YouTube sees you have a good video, they'll promote it, and don't worry about first impressions because YouTube knows it's a good first impression and they're gonna promote your videos for you. So right now I just started, my current CPM is $3.39. Every 1,000 views, I'm generating $3.39, which is really good. I thought I would get like $1 or $2, but because I'm a multi-niche channel, I think they gave me a little bit more. If your YouTube channel is about economics, you're gonna have like $10 every 1,000 views because it is an expensive niche, and the ads that are put in front of stock marketing and stuff like that, they're gonna generate a lot of money because it's where all the money is. You got high profile viewers watching those videos, so it's a different niche. I'm more in the middle, which is exactly where I want it to be. So if the channel keeps on growing like this, in a couple of years, this number is going to be insane. And I mean, I'm not going to stop. I actually see improvement in my videos. I see improvement in my character. I'm not afraid of the camera, even though I know these videos can get millions of views or thousands of views or hundreds of views. I have no idea what's going to happen, but that's the fun part about YouTube. The journey is almost more fun than actually like skipping through time and boom, becoming a big time YouTuber. The journey there is just as fun. So enjoy the journey. If it takes long, the struggle is part of that journey. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, that's it for the video. If you're on your way to monetization and you're a new YouTuber, just focus on your content, focus on yourself, focus on making good videos. Take the time that it takes to make good videos. At the beginning, quantity is more important than quality, trust me. Just keep pumping out videos. You're gonna learn how to edit faster. You're gonna learn how to make good thumbnails better. You're just gonna learn how to make your channel more appealing to a viewer that's watching your channel for the first time. It's never too late to start on YouTube. You would rather be the guy that's trying to be a YouTuber than to watch the guy succeeding at being a YouTuber. Trust me, you want to be on this side of the fence. If you're thinking about it, stop thinking about it and do it. Take a camera, talk to it, and see what you got. Don't give up. The struggle is hard at the beginning. It's hard on yourself if you're hard on yourself like I am. Just keep at it and don't worry about failing. Just keep grinding. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a lot. I'm H2K. Stay safe and see you guys next time. Peace out.